Thank you, thank you.
So we have to repeat it.
It seems like nothing can stop us.
Raj Chacha was the one motivating everyone.
Yeah.
Now Chun Chun is saying, we are coming guys. He wanted to do surprise.
Chun Chun te kanjoos and I can't really believe it.
Recording this.
I am recording it. And how about Riku?
Riku also coming.
They are coming?
रिकू ने पहले तो छोटा सा कोई है Now you start the dialogue. Start.
I'm nervous. I can't say
It's all wrong joke. Thank you, Black Chacha, for coming and for motivating everybody else for coming. Like
I
you
know.
said, there is no option. Everybody has to.
And I said black is always there.
Yeah.
Every day.
Seriously.
Black Chacha.
We needed, blessings of our elders, and genuinely, thank you so much, Viva Chachi
And
Black
You're
Chacha.
welcome.
he is going to be doing the mini in place of Daddy.
So मैं तो
Half of Daddy.
मैं तो क्या टिकट पर मैंने डबल खर्च नहीं पाया. I have to be there for the minute.
Thank you so much, Black Chacha. Thank you so much.
So
मैं सोच रही थी ये सब रौनक चल रही है मैं अनु और किशु को डाल दूं ग्रुप के अंदर ग्रुप के अंदर डाल दूं अच्छा ओके
पर आ जाना उन्होंने आज आ जाना.
अच्छा जब वो बताओगे फिर डाल दूंगी ताकि वो फोटोज देख सकें
हाँ.
वो वेरी गुड
Tomorrow they should be back. Mommy, daddy are here.
20 minutes left.
After breakfast, we go and
Done, yes.
पता नहीं किसी ने की ज़्यादा रात्रि आई ना रे कहता है बहुत आपको मालूम है क्या है मेरी बीवी आ आपने बता दिया तूने बता दिया
चाय
मैं कॉफी नहीं पीना.
अच्छा चाय
ब्रेकफास्ट करो and have finished.
जूस.
नाना I'll get you another seat for रखने के लिए
It's okay, darling. उनका रास्ता न ब्लॉक हो. It's okay, darling. I'm fine. Fit हो गया.
just kind of make sure that there are tissues in the car
Sorry, before you leave, I have a question about the reservation.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ
Sakshi's mother.
sister
She's Riya. Sakshi's sister.
yeah I can recognize
कल कहता मेरी बीवी आ जाएगी तो साक्षी को बुलाई हेलो जी
Welcome.
very handy yeah
That's great.
so let's not talk about camera, let's talk about the wedding.
If I see you running around late at night now, I'm covering it.
Every wedding I take a video.
Go ahead.
In every wedding I take a video.
You get a few videos around and you can
Yeah.
send it then on to them and they'll have it.
I put them on a YouTube
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
so that everybody can see. You don't
So
have
you're a
to.
YouTuber as well?
No, I'm not a professional. Just for the family.
Just for the
all the
family.
videos are our family videos.
Well, that's an all-in-one, is it? It's a camera and your...
Yeah, it's you can.
Wow, the quality is excellent. And it looks so stable.
It's stable. It's got a gimbal here. It's a gimbal here, and as you see, I keep moving.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I could see you move, but it's the image
Switcher is left now. But this is the gimbal in there. Very short time for walking. No, we'll not walk over it. We'll just walk on the.
इधर से आगे चलते देखते हैं
हाँ. Oh, that was the crossover where we sat.
Yesterday, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is where we were eating breakfast.
Yeah, this is where we had breakfast. That's where we had the drinks. Crossover. So we are staying in that right one. Or the left one?
No, this one.
We are in the left one?
Residential. अभी वो building बन रही है.
अच्छा.
We're all in this tower.
Okay. And that's the different hotel.
Yeah.
Beautiful hotels.
Last वाली जो बड़ी है. Right, sir? नहीं, not good.
You go to ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਇੰਝ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਮੁੰਦਰ ਹੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟਡ
ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
ਆਈ ਵੁੱਡ ਲਵ ਟੂ ਗੈਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਡਰਿੰਕ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੁਰਸੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੀਏ
ਆ ਜਾ ਕਰੋ
ਤਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੀ
ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਹਾਫ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਚੱਲਿਓ
let's see the view
We carry this around everywhere. This is like a GoPro but a handheld. DJI. So it's a gimbal basically.
I can say Sat Sri Akal to all.
yes did you watch the Thanksgiving video no
I haven't seen it. Did you
haven't seen
post
it?
it online or?
The
I put it on YouTube
Okay, I'll look for it.
We don't know when he's moving it.
so
This is where the DJI है ना?
yeah DJs yeah
This is where the most well-known drone है. And look at that.
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ drone ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਦੋ drone ਨੇ
You brought them here?
yeah but here you can't fly them
He carried his drones. Can you see the camera tilting? He's holding it.
सारी लाइन लगी हुई है
National anthem.
हैं
So much for coming. Not about my, like he's not a big captain. He's not a captain. Yeah, he made one more covering.
Hey,
How you been? Yeah.
That's why he's asking for match right now. He's someone.
कैच हो गया ਉਹਨੇ ਗੇਂਦ ਅੱਡੀ ਉਛਾਲੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਲਗਾ ਦਿਆ
yes sir, cheers.
हाँ भाई मैं क्या एक राउंड लगा रहा
All of the previous winners are on the other side.
The national Australian T20 World Cup, it was the really very momentum.
It's a measure of pressure that
हाँ जी जब मैं पकड़ लेंगे मैं लग जाऊंगा
That is an excellent innings.
coolness. Of course.
60 ball, and then the first one here in
वो जीत गए थे, जीत गए। 5 गेंदें रह गई हैं सर।
Martin knew exactly what he was doing. He wasn't going at the bowls in. Andy Samson.
रन आउट हो गया ना।
Grand Slam, brilliant news for a young player with so big a future. So let's celebrate that they've done. Two balls remaining. Now we want to get 26 in the course of today's game. So one ball remaining, 16 to go. Final ball of the game. Goes once again over there. That's it. We have 2 to go.
That cat
Yeah, we met. Yeah.
and Sanya.
Yeah.
What's her name? Sanya. Sanya? Sanya. Nice name.
So, Kiran, I have to record your arrival.
I think completion.
I just expressed everything.
हाँ भाई मैं तेरी फोटो नहीं खींची ना उनके चल रिकॉर्ड योर
Let me take with her.
रिको नहीं आई थले
उन्हें आई है इतनी सी
आई डिडंट सी हर हाय रिको
So good to see
आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर यू
So
तू भी
good.
पहुंच
We
गई
just came.
आई नो
So good
I-
to see you. कितना डैडी को ट्राई किया but good thing daddy didn't come. He would have been really troubled on the way.
आई नो ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਮਿੰਟ ਤੇ then we bought new tickets and
I'm so
came
glad. वही हमारा भी सेम हुआ ना. But poor
So,
Chinchin got.
बढ़िया एक्सपेंसिव मिलियां पर मैं कहा कोई गल नहीं
टिकट ही नहीं थी. Otherwise Chinchin would have come too. Tickets ही sold out हो गई थी.
पर यूरोप तो नहीं है, डिफरेंट एयरलाइन है, फ्रांस चले जाओ, कितने चले जाओ।
श्रीलंका को नहीं,
नहीं दिल्ली मैं कैसे दिल्ली आओ, दिल्ली में थे,
दिल्ली से श्रीलंका की टिकट्स भी थी।
मैंने तो मिल गई थी, मैं भी तो लास्ट तय की थी।
पर आप तो 1-2 दिन पहले आए हो ना।
वीक you were earlier to us, you were already there, we left on Monday.
बट वो हमारे को बोलते गए कि हम आपको भेजेंगे।
मैं तो कह रहा सर नहीं इधर देखो, $37. So up, yeah. It's called Paresso Skydeck, the Islander. Thank you. हाली कोई भी नहीं आया।
Of South Indian and local, easy comfort food.
What's this? What's this?
इन कोटू रोटी श्रीलंकन है जी डिश।
Okay, vegetarian.
ऐसा कुछ वेजिटेरियन है। दिस इज सम काइंड ऑफ ए, दिस इज फिश।
Machi. That's not vegetable gravy. Vegetable gravy with 3 nopas.
दिस इज ऑल श्रीलंकन।
South Indian. Dosa. That's not buffet. Mix. Buffet.
What is this?
Dal
Not,
curry Sri Lankan.
this is not potato.
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 That's some beans. Beans and cashew.
This is assorted naan. Okay. This is biryani. Very good.
Okay.
Malabar chicken.
Chicken fry.
Okay.
Crab curry.
Crab
Sri
curry.
Non-veg. Sir, non-veg. Mutton.
This is mutton. Okay. And that's desserts there.
Dessert set.
Ice cream. गुलाब जामुन आइसक्रीम्स ने गुलाब जामुन है फ्रूट है
Even getting gigs is hard.
सत श्री अकाल बेटा
What's the point of getting a gig if I have a minimum draw? I have to get my friends there. And I'm not playing for new people.
Telling his,
I play a show every couple of months. Stay warm. I'll go like
telling his Arzu and Meher are here as well.
we plan a series of shows.
हेलो हाउ आर यू हेलो
I love that. I love that. Show you how the local. Oh man, I'm excited. They're normal bars like
एक्सक्यूज मी सत श्री अकाल जी बाल सत श्री अकाल जी
I'm Evangelist's daughter Nishi.
I know you
But I am a husband.
oh really then I know you also now I know you also
How are you, uncle?
I'm fine.
So lovely to meet you.
A long
And
time.
Biba auntie.
she's sitting inside
Acha, I'm fine.
This is Arjun, my son. That's Mehul.
hi
And that's
Your
Arjun.
uncle's brother, black uncle.
Oh, we've been loving your jokes on the group, especially about Chunchin Mama not being. Hi, how are you? Yeah.
I'm recording everything
Chunchin
so.
Mama, माफ कर देना जी, मैंने पता नहीं सी.
This is my son Arjun and daughter Meher and daughter-in-law Arzu and black uncle. He looks just
So, Mama,
like
you having a drink? Can I get you one?
Yeah, I'm still kind of thinking about what I want. So
you are here in India
Auntie, hi, Auntie.
Look what the cat drinks.
Uncle, I'm in India.
Acha.
We stay in Delhi now. Mummy stays downstairs and we are on the first.
okay okay
We shifted in the house to take care of Mummy.
nice seeing you after a while pardon me yeah we are in New York
How are you doing? When did you get a very rough rock.
And he checked and he said, okay, you're coming.
Ranu Mama, very rough rock.
golden words
I know. I'll behave myself this time. Okay?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
earlier I got into trouble. Last time you did this.
Hello, hi.
Hey, hey man, how you doing?
Such a good gadget that you have.
I could.
Yeah, that is Riku unpacked. Then I also had to move the room. Somebody needed a room. Acha, I moved it. Riku, that's why we got it. Now she's going to take some. I'm so happy that she's here. Finally.
सरप्राइज कर रहा था ओके तो उसने सरप्राइज किया तो फिर उसका रूम वगैरह करवाना था
hello who gave the surprise
Riku's friend Sumit
okay
Hi Nishi oh my god मैंने कहा ये खुलवा देती हूँ बिकॉज ये थोड़ा अंदर ठंडा है
अंदर बड़ा अच्छा है it's not too cold but कैमरा आ गया जी
only cousin. Yeah. Nanki, नहीं Nanki is not.
है बिल्कुल है नानकी सिंह
नहीं cousin. He was cousin. No.
नहीं not loud
What आ गया?
नहीं अभी से नहीं loud है
हैं जी,
मैं अंदर जा रही हूँ।
आ जाओ चक्कर लाने जरा।
अच्छा भी पहुंचो ना तो 15 मिनट अंदर बाहर आपकी ड्रिंक का है।
Brothers. Chacha, what are you saying now? The nice? Yeah. Attention. Devi. Kiran. Anji. Kiran. Devi. Sab aa jao. Nashi. Sab aa jao.
one ball.
Are you in line? Are you in line?
No.
I thought you were in line to get the mehndi. No?
Give it up for Hema, ladies and gentlemen.
And please give it up for Pyramids!
Alright. So later on she'll have a lot of Hindi songs for you to play, right? If you want we can start it right now with Hema, or you can start now. Right. We actually did pretty much. Pretty woman, they call it now. Pretty woman, they call it now. Pretty woman, don't they go now? Pretty woman, imagine yourself the other day. Hey, go on the hell, I'm Johnny. Go ahead, yeah, go and feel it. Yeah, hey, go and get honey. So you so do now, so take it. Pretty woman.
There's some very personal things that they would like to share. Please, I just want my in-law side to know that there are no more refunds of Hotya. No matter what stories are shared about me, please listen to it with a grain of salt. It's not all true. Rich masala. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start off with our friend Vanshay.
Alright guys, everyone's having a good time? Yeah! Okay, so ladies, gentlemen, family, friends, random airport acquaintances, and the people flying from the west who somehow ended up here, welcome. I know it's troublesome to get here with the whole airspace closure and the war going on, but I assure you the only bombs that are going to be dropped here are going to be Jaeger bombs by me at the after party. So you guys better watch out. Alright, my name is Vanshay and I've known Sakshi and Yash since primary school. We all joined the same school 18 years ago, and I can tell you Yash had his eye on the prize since the start. Let me give you guys an idea of how it panned out. Sakshi cried the first time a boy asked her out and went to complain to her teachers. Yash, I don't know how many girls were left in our class who you had not dated. However, from the sheer probability of limited girls left in our grade, Yash and Sakshi's dating story began in 6th grade. when he finally asked her out. And that story lasted a grand total of 24 hours. Because one of the teachers found out, Sakshi tried again, and then they broke up. Fast forward a couple of years in college, we all decided that we must do all of our spring breaks together. I can't go into much detail of what happened, and honestly I was too drunk to remember half of them. But I do remember the many nights Sakshi and Yash were caught finding the cheapest flights on Skyscanner. Sakshi, after the next few days, you can finally retire the cutout for the real thing. Yash, now that you and Sakshi are finally going to be married and going to be living in the US, I still hope you will have enough time and enough reasons to come back to me and see me. There's no one else whose butt I'd rather grab at parties, if you know what I mean. Sorry, Abhya. So here's a toast. I don't have a glass, but please raise your glasses. So here's a toast to Sakshi and Yash. And an entire weekend of debauchery. Jesus, this wedding is going to be really long. Here's to the nights we won't remember, with the people we would forget, and the couple who are going to be on the poster child for the longest long distance ever.
I promise mine is going to be more kosher. Yeah, it's kosher already, so don't worry about that. Alright, now that Vanshi has covered Sakshi Jr., let me walk you through a little bit of Sakshi Senior.
Louder, louder!
But first, my name is Sumir. I first met Sakshi 12 years ago as a freshman at GW University. Sakshi and I initially bonded over a shared common experience of coming from Delhi to DC, but that friendship has evolved over the years and it means so much more. Sakshi is easily one of the most likable people that you'll ever meet. Her personality is kind, welcoming, full of laughter, and she's able to bring a smile to everybody's face. As you get to know Sakshi more, you learn that she can't eat a meal without 6 different condiments available on the table. She can drink unlimited cold coffees in a day. She's the brand ambassador of Borolin. She somehow bullied me into doing all her accounting homework for 4 years, and then, as she graduated, her taxes. And since we moved back to Delhi, everybody knows that Sakshi is always late, and she somehow always manages to blame it on the traffic.
Pampering, can we please get a big shout out for all the Arizona family? And for some reason, as mentioned, this lady killer has been single for 5 to 6 days in his life. I'm kidding. When he had the Justin Bieber hair and he used to wear Abercrombie, we all just thought he's gay.
Abercrombie. This suspicion really reached its peak in 2023 December at my sister's wedding, when Yash was caught on HDTV putting a finger up our friend Rishabh's bum. Find us later for the video. I have this on my phone right now. And speaking of stories, maybe I shouldn't be sharing this, but teenage Yash actually did have some game. I remember a hilarious story when we were 15 or so. I'd go over to his house and his neck had a, let's say it rhymes with aloo tikki. And while auntie spotted it, this then in a blissful ignorance and innocence asked, Yashi, did you get hurt in your neck? Startled, Yash replies, oh, Johnny bit me. Ran out of the room so fast. Poor Johnny.
No, it was so That was the answer I got.
All different answers, everyone. All jokes aside, if there's one word we had to use to describe Yash, it would be dependable. He is extremely loyal, consistent, caring, and a guy you know will just be there.
I'll say something. Yashi Bhaiya. Sakshi. Such a beautiful wedding. From kindergarten days, you've known each other. from kindergarten days, right? You've known each other. I've seen your photos together. This is a bandage and hair. Okay, bete, bless you, both of you. And Sakshi, welcome to the family. Love you. Love you, beta.
चलो जी स्टार्ट करो. हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग जी, सत श्री अकाल जी. हाँ जी, the blue team and yellow team.
We're still waiting for the yellow team.
We might all have to go on the yellow side.
Okay.
They don't have as much team.
सत श्री अकाल बेटा.
I'll go to the desk and confirm.
They have the details. You just have to go and reconfirm all that.
I think we need to get a few yellows. Oh, Puji Patti said that they're going to do 10 cents. Oh, here you go. Hello.
कौन कुड़ी वाले आए?
How do I have a thing?
Oh yeah, that's what we use it.
No, you point down and up. Yeah, down and up. You guys have to
Practice time.
तो reverse करते हैं.
Yes.
How's it going?
Everything is fine.
Would you like to comment on this beautiful wedding?
The wedding is beautiful. You made it even more better.
I was waiting for that. Okay, that's you.
so smart.
Always
Thank
so
you.
smart.
Thank you.
He is the man. Okay. Yeah.
गला खराब हो गया? अच्छा.
Take that. What happened, Megan? आज मैं हरावांगा ना फिर. समझा का?
Don't pull. Don't pull. Don't pull.
Referee!
Charlie, grab him.
He's starting again! Shot pulling! 1, 2, 3!
Get up. Usha, get up. Yeah, get up. Get into the ring. Sakshi. 2, 1, go!
started or not? We started.
Have we started or not?
Men need help, okay? मैं जिन्नी साड़ियाँ पाइयां ने मैंने दियो I know how to put it.
तू सेल्समैन ही कितनी हुई है?
जल्दी हो.
Done.
What cheating?
Doing
Done. That's good. Okay. Not doing it. Bobby.
We saw the cheeky kiss, Saranuma Maria.
It's falling apart.
For originality of the Pallu, I'm going to award this to Nina Chachi and Manu Chachi. Alright guys, 2 minutes break and
Yeah, I do. And I did come down. That's it.
पनीर वेजिटेरियंस को क्यों मिलता है? हाँ जी मैं क्या वेजिटेरियंस को क्यों मिलता है? पनीर
मैंने ठंडा for you? More? Listen, John. Oh, it's more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I don't travel too much for it. It might.
We can't sit. No, so we are waiting. Let them finish the point.
Make me dekla. We'll take you too. Look at them all dressed up for the lunch. मेरे बच्चे बैठ
Six beers.
unreal, next level. Would have never thought of that genius. We don't say good job, we don't say okay great, good job. We say Jai. Hello and welcome everyone to the Guava Awards. The eldest daughter of this family. Reading off of my phone. I just wrote this speech while you guys were getting seated. Thank you for taking time to get seated. That helped. Okay. Hello? Check. Perfect. Alright. Good morning, Mumbai. Group side, you can redeem yourself from the Bollywood quiz this morning if you can guess what movie that's from. I would like to start with thanking each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for being here today. Traveling from the many destinations, the many flight changes, the boom boom around the world. And cheers to those that left their vacation delegations to come here. Thank you for being here.
Everyone is just jealous.
All right. And in second place, when Priya came up with this, the greatest.
Made it manifest. And each and every one of you was incented. I wanted each one of you to come here and have a great, great time. And these two families to come together and become one family. I think that one vision we were able to manifest. So thank you very much. Who came against many, many odds. My Arizona family and my Delhi family. My Tata here, who kept telling everybody who was stuck in various parts of the world, and he kept saying that not coming is not an option. So keep trying, and thank you very much, the Bhargava family and Bhargava extended family. I mean, you really, gave Yash a lot of happiness by being here. So thank you once again.
Yeah, as I call Yash my star. Yashi. I mean, in the house everyone says that the moment Yash comes in, Sumati has a different sparkle in her eyes. Where, it's like...
Every time.
Yes, it's every time. So he's taken over from both my daughters to now. He's the star. He's the star. We love you. We love you. And finally, I would like to thank you. You brought him up so beautifully. I mean, all credit goes to you. And of course, to G, who is his second mother. So, and Nana Papa. Like, how I see them pamper him. I mean, he's loved, he's blessed. And of course, all the mamas. Oh my God! He's a star in Yash there. And I mean, no words. Totally blessed to have him with us. An extended family now. So we have a son in the family. So thank you, Yash.
God bless you.
These become the sons. That is like something that they are good sons, nothing like that.
So everyone says, बेटी की शादी, लड़की की शादी करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Making this speech is more tougher for me than Sakshi की शादी. And I'll start. So, as a father, this is a very special moment for me. They say daughter may grow up, get married, and start her own life, but for father, she'll always be a little girl. Always. In my case, Sakshi always has been a true power girl. Her first words were power.
My emotional support husband, Sahil, to make sure I don't cry so much.
Good job, Sahil.
But before I get into full emo mode, I want to share a couple of things about Yash. Yash's first email address was yashlovesuji@hotmail.com. And when mom hurt her knee, he got even more creative and made another one, payalnitutidown@hotmail.com. Needless to say, I got a lot of fan mail from these accounts. But Yash, there's someone else I know you're a very big fan of.
message for you. And for everybody, here's some context. One of Yash's favorite shows is The Office. And when Yash came and visited me in San Diego, we started watching the Indian version of this Office. And thereafter, we started, just repeating all the dialogues of his favorite characters. So Yash, I tried very hard, but I couldn't get your favorite character.
Now, and from Sonu Navkar, Riku, Ajay, Tripal and myself, I promise you she's now our eldest daughter in the family. And we take her and love her as our eldest daughter.
I'm on it.
As our eldest daughter.
I'm on it.
And really, we are really looking forward.
Love you, Bobby. And I know a few minutes back we had a talk. And I know, being a father, my daughter is coming to a good family. Happy family.
Not she's here.
Happy day, happy moment for all of us.
नमस्कार, मैं टीपी मिश्रा। यश, तुम्हारी बहन देवकी ने मुझे शादी में ससम्मान बुलाया था, लेकिन ये चड्डा सर ने एक मीटिंग में ऐसा उलझा दिया कि अब मेरा शरीर तो मीटिंग में है, लेकिन मेरी आत्मा वहां शादी में आने को तरस रही है। खैर, मैंने तुम्हारा वो जापान वाला वीडियो देखा, तुम्हारा इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर तो अच्छा है यश, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है कि तुम्हारी हिंदी बहुत गड़बड़ है, जो कि मुझे लगता है साक्षी उसको मजबूत करेगी, सुदृढ़ करेगी। यश और साक्षी, आप लोगों को वैवाहिक जीवन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। वैसे तो शादी की जरूरत है नहीं समाज में।
ਇਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਕਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਏ।
बटन हैज टू बी प्रेस्ड फॉर दैट।
बस कुछ नहीं करना, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑलरेडी चल रही है।
Salud. That is the bottom of the problem.
Alright, get ready.
खुशी के जाम जादा आसमान से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
Come on, everybody. Get up, join in. Come on, everybody.